Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we're going to show you how to make easy, realistic tears for any photo in your collection. So here's what we have on the screen. Every year I do a commemorative image for 9/11, and so every year I do a new composite, a new design, and I put that out there for the commemorative 9/11 ceremonies. All right, so you'll notice here I have a realistic tear, and that's what we're going to shoot for. Okay, so I'm going to show you how easy it is using some tricks. All right, so we're going to start out with the basic image here without the tear. Okay, and then I want you to go on to the web and just turn around and do a Google search for tears and find yourself an image with a tear that you like. Okay, so I'm going to use this image as our example, and I'm going to use the lasso tool, and I'm just going to carefully trace around the tear, okay, making sure that I get the shadow that's underneath the tear, okay, because we want that to look realistic. And then just come around and complete the capture till we have the tear done. All right, easy enough. So now we're just going to go up to edit, and we're going to hit copy. Okay, so now we're going to go back to our image without the tear, and we're going to go to edit and paste. And that's going to paste the tear right on a separate layer. And we're going to go ahead and move that into position. Now again, no right or wrong. Just roughly put it where you want. If you need to shape it or move it, Command or Control T, and you can rotate it. Okay. You can distort it if you need to. Okay. You can hold the Shift key down and distort the tear just slightly, however you want to do it. And when you're happy, just hit enter. All right, so now we have the tear approximately where we want. And it's not blending very well, but I'm going to show you a trick. Now you got to promise not to tell anybody about this because it's top secret. All right, here's the trick. We're highlighted on the layer up with the tear. I want you to hold the Shift key and click on the background, so both layers are now highlighted. All right, so now we're going to go up to the menu up top, and we're going to go on to Edit, and we're going to go to Auto Blend Layers. Okay, and we're going to click that. All right, this is a little known trick. All right, very important to see how this is blending in together. It's not very realistic. We're going to hit Select Stack Images, and we're going to make sure that seamless tones and colors are checked and content aware fill transparent areas is checked. All right. And then you're going ahead and hit OK. And bingo bango, we now have a tear put in. How easy is that? That's the trick for this week. Okay. And again, don't tell anybody about this. All right, guys. That's going to do it for this week. So till next week, you guys take care.